Welcome back. Now Sanguem, Quepem and Vasco Civil Sub Registrar have rolled out e-registration. The e-registration works on Gauri software. The software implements a unique feature of electronic copy of the registered documents within a few minutes, thus reducing the processing time. The government aims to cover all talukas under e-registration.
The Sanguem Civil Sub Registrar office rolled out e-registration. It was inaugurated by Sanguem MLA Subhash Faldesai. Assistant Registrar Pandurang Bodke was also present at the inaugural function.
Because in the past, the manual registration takes months together. Now, once the computer registration or document takes place, the people will be benefited by getting the document within a short span of time. Once it is centralized, no duplication of marriages will take place.
असो एक संकल्पना असा की हे सगळं एक फावटी जाल्यानंतर एक ब्रॉड वाइज गोवा स्टेट एज अ होल हे म्हणजे कनेक्टिविटी मेळ्ळ्यानंतर एक सेंट्रल सर्वराचेर हे इन्फॉर्मेशन सेव करून आणि खंयच्याय एनीवेअर एनी टाइम कॉन्सेप्ट एडॉप्ट करून म्हणजे हांगचो डॉक्युमेंट जर कोणाक व्यू करपाक पणजे जाय जर जाय ही नीड नॉट कम टू सांगें एंड व्यू दॅट डॉक्युमेंट और टेक दॅट डॉक्युमेंट.
Port Town 2 now has a Vasco Civil Sub Registrar office with e-registration services. Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida and Murgaon MLA Milind Naik inaugurated the office.
I wanted one phone number. We must put one phone number in some prominent location there, so that when any work is not being done, see now even the municipality like we put numbers there.
Initial stage, सगळ्यांक तुमकां रिक्वेस्ट करून हांव एक करता सरकार म्हणून की स्टार्टिंग तांकां हात बसता म्हणून वेळ वयतलो ही खरी गोश्ट आहा. ताका तुमी सगळ्यांनी पयल्या रावंडाक म्हणजे पयले थोडे दीस आमी तेंचे कडेन कॉपरेट करून काम करून घेवपाक जाय.
Mayur Naik and Dishant Parab for Prudent.
The Goa Football Association has allowed persons of Indian origin and overseas citizens of India to play in the inter-village tournaments. This was one of the major decisions taken during GFA's annual General Body meeting in Panji on Sunday. The General Body has opposed registration fees imposed by AIFF and authorized the GFA President to convince AIFF to bring the fees down.
There were issues raised about centralized player registration system and the fee associated with that. All of you are aware AIFF has proposed a centralized registration system. The General Body felt that the centralized registration system, while it is a good idea, the fees that the AIFF have proposed will kill village football, particularly will kill the smaller clubs. So they have taken a resolution in the General Body that we should seriously oppose this, and they have authorized the President of GFA and the Vice President of the West Zone to take it up seriously in the ensuing meeting of the Exco, which is on the 1st of August in Delhi. The most important issue that we have managed to pass today has been the inter-village rules. The broad issues that were discussed in private village tournament rules were, one was of course on the clusters, the grouping of the various villages into clusters. As you know, some villages have very good teams, players, some villages don't. So we've tried to clear as much regional imbalance as possible. And most of the clusters have been accepted by the clubs. There are a few clusters which they have authorized the President to revert amongst themselves and to revert back. There was also a big discussion on who is eligible to play in terms of status other than Indian citizens, that is the PIO status and OCI status. And they have accepted in principle that these two status players can participate in Goan village tournaments, of course with certain documentation that is required, such as an OCI card and vice versa. It had also been decided at the inter-village level that referees will come under GFA, so that basically we will try to implement a method whereby the private tournament organizers will come back to GFA and say to allocate us referees. So two ways, they ensure availability and they also regulate the fee structure.
Cucumber for a boy and a bangle for a girl. Feast of Saint Anne, popularly known as Toshache Fest, was celebrated at Kurka on Sunday. It is believed that married couples offer tender cucumber before the statue of Saint Anne to grant the couple the gift of a boy and a bangle to grant the gift of a girl child. Many devotees, irrespective of religion, offer their prayers to Saint Anne. Was Toshache Fest.
Toma पिपीनू दा मिनीनू मुणगे तोशंगे आनी भुरग्यांदी
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.